What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here. It's not over there. It's kind of catchy though. James, James, David, James, 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 David, James.
Pavillion!
James, James, David, James.
Pavillion!
James, James, David, James.
Pavillion!
James,
So,
James,
so,
David,
so,
James.
Pavillion!
James,
So,
James,
so,
David,
so,
James.
Pavillion!
James,
So,
James,
so,
David,
so,
James.
Pavillion!
James,
So, Horizon, Pavillion!
David,
Horizon,
James,
so, Horizon, Pavillion, Horizon,
James,
Harry, ready?
Horizon,
Harry, ready?
David,
Pavillion!
Harry, ready?
James,
So,
James,
Horizon,
David,
Horizon,
James,
Harry,
James,
Harry,
James,
Harry,
James,
Harry,
James,
Harry.
Pavillion! Horizon,
James,
so,
James,
so,
David,
Harry,
James,
red. No.
James,
Harry, Harry,
James,
red. No.
David,
I'm Harry,
Pavillion!
red. No.
singing our song all day long at Brighton.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a ball bomb.
Throw it at Larry! Yay! Wow! Pompey boys, who party?